Yes, students, moving to the next paragraph. I get along pretty well with all my teachers. Means I was very good students according to most of my teachers. There are 9 of them. Means total 9 teachers were there who used to teach Anne Frank. 7 men and 2 women. Out of 9, 7 gents teacher were there and 2 women. Mr. Keesing, the old Fozzie who teaches maths. Old Fozzie means old fashioned type of person who used to teach maths, was annoyed with me for ages. For ages means for always. He was very annoyed with Anne Frank. Why? What is the reason behind this? Because, so I told you that Mr. Keesing was always annoyed with Anne Frank. And what was the reason behind this? Because she talked too much. I talked so much, she has admitted here. I talked so much, so that's why he was annoyed with me. After several warnings, he assigned me extra homework. What was this? Was a kind of punishment. This was a kind of punishment. Yes. So Anne Frank was given some extra work, homework, and it was a punishment for her. An essay on the subject, a chatterbox. A chatterbox. Do you know what is a chatterbox? Chatterbox, the person who speaks a lot, who is very talkative. So this was a really very interesting or very awkward type of topic on which she had to write an essay. So an essay on the subject, a chatterbox. A chatterbox, what can you write about that? She is asking what to write about chatterbox. I would worry about that later. Means she was very worried that what will she write. I decided, I jotted down the title in my notebook, tucked it in my bag and tried to keep quiet. She noted down everything in the notebook, tucked it in the bag. उसने अपने नोटबुक को अपने बैग में रखा and tried to keep quiet. That evening, after I finished the rest of my homework, the note about the essay caught my eye. Means after completing other homework, she had a glance at that essay and caught my eye means उसका ध्यान गया उसके ऊपर कि उसको एक ऐसे भी लिखना है. I began thinking about the subject while chewing the tip of my fountain pen. Means she was keeping the tip of her fountain pen in his mouth. She was chewing it and she was thinking. This is the natural process. You also, when you think, you do some abruptly or different type of activities. Anyone could ramble on. Ramble on means talk or write aimlessly for long. So anyone could ramble on and leave big spaces between the words, but the trick was to come up with convincing argument to prove the necessity of talking. She says that on this topic, people can write 2-3 pages, 4 pages, many pages they can write by leaving spaces, or they can write a lot. But point was there that I should present such an argument, मैं ऐसी बातें लिखूं उस ऐसे में that can convince the teacher that why talking was necessary. वो कहती है कि मुझे ये इम्प्रेस करना होगा टीचर को कि बात करना क्यों जरूरी है, और उसके लिए क्या होना चाहिए, लॉजिकल आर्ग्यूमेंट्स होने चाहिए. I thought and suddenly I had an idea. She was thinking that what should she write, and finally an idea came to her mind. I wrote 3 pages. Mr. Keesing had assigned me and was satisfied. उसने 3 पेज लिखा. For what? On the topic that was given to her by Mr. Keesing, and was satisfied. I argued that talking is a student's trait. उसने क्या लॉजिक दिया? This is the student's trait. Trait means आदत, habit, and that I would do my best to keep it under control. And she also promised that she will try her level best to keep herself mum, keep quiet in the class. This was her argument, but that I would never be able to cure myself of the habit, since my mother talked as much as I did, if not more, and that there's not much you can do about inherited traits. What a wonderful logic she presented. She says that I wrote that this is the habit of children to talk, and I will try my level best to keep quiet in the class, but I am not sure I would not able to cure myself. Why? Because this habit is not my personal habit. I have got this habit from my mother. I have got it inherited. Means मेरी मदर भी उतनी ही बात करती थी, and that's why I am talking, and that's why I cannot cure myself. This is the inherited trait that cannot be changed easily. Mr. Keesing had a good laugh at my arguments. Good laugh at, उनको बहुत हंसी आई. But when I proceeded to talk my way through the next lesson, he assigned me a second essay. But this was the habit of the child, that she used to talk a lot. So that's why what happened? She kept on talking in the class, and as a punishment she was given another assignment to write a second essay. This time it was supposed to be on an incorrigible chatterbox. Means incorrigible, something that cannot be corrected, usually the bad habit. This time the topic was an incorrigible chatterbox. She had to write, she was given this punishment to write an essay on this topic. I handed it in, and Mr. Keesing had nothing to complain about for 2 whole lessons. However, during the third lesson, he would finally had enough. Anne Frank, as punishment for talking in class, write an essay entitled Quack Quack Quack, said Mistress Chatterbox. Means second essay she also produced. She wrote some satisfactory argument on the second topic, that was an incorrigible chatterbox, but her habit could not be cured, and she kept on talking, and the final time, as a punishment, she was given one more essay to write, and its topic was Quack Quack Quack, said Mistress Chatterbox. Mistress, and who was mistress? This was Anne Frank only. Now the class roared. I had to laugh too, though I would nearly exhausted my ingenuity on the topic of chatterbox. She says that originality and inventiveness, everything I had already put on the topic, but now this is the third time I was confused that what to write again on the topic. It was time to come up with something else. उसने कहा कि अब इस बार कुछ नया करना होगा, something original. My friend Sen, who was good at poetry, उसकी एक दोस्त है सेन जो पोइट्री में बहुत अच्छी थी, offered to help me write the essay from beginning to end in verse, and I jumped for joy. उसने सजेस्ट किया कि तुमको इस बार जो ऐसे लिखना है वो किस वर्स फॉर्म में, पोएम की फॉर्म में लिखना है. मिस्टर कीजिंग वॉज ट्राइंग टू पे अ जोक ऑन मी विद दिस रिडिकुलस सब्जेक्ट, बट आई वुड मेक श्योर द जोक वॉज ऑन हिम. वो कह रही है कि मिस्टर कीजिंग